Welcome back to Primetime News. Thanks for staying with us. The St. Anne police are searching for the mother of a newborn baby who was found in a pit latrine in the Helen Castle community on Wednesday. The baby is now in hospital, but as you'll hear in this report, getting her out of the pit was no easy task.
Castle St. Anne was the scene of yet another abandoned baby. This time, efforts to rescue the baby went sideways when this pit latrine collapsed with a firefighter who was attempting to retrieve the newborn baby girl for just over an hour. TVJ News understands that the baby was born a little after 4 p.m. Wednesday. It wasn't until 8 p.m., however, when a neighbor heard cries coming from the detached toilet at the back of the house. The police were called, and upon their arrival, both parents were questioned. The officers asked the woman to get dressed so that she could have accompanied them to the latrine. After she did not return for some time, it was discovered that she had fled. It was then the police called the St. Anne's Bay Fire Department to retrieve the baby girl, who was covered in waste. It was during that time a firefighter was injured. The baby was taken to the St. Anne's Bay Hospital, accompanied by her father. The firefighter was treated and released. The child's grandmother, Clara Brown, recounts how she heard the news.
What I really know is only when my son come up here and call me and said, "Mama, police down at the house." I said, "For what?" He said, "Them question me because Adeline lose baby." I said, "Real?" He said, "Yes."
TVJ News understands that the couple has 5 other children, ranging from ages 5 to 12.
I don't know how to start it. I never know. I hear it all the while taking place almost, and this happened right at the doorway.
This is the second incident in days where a newborn has been reportedly found in a pit latrine. One resident made this appeal.
This thing getting out and I first remember witnessed this, so all I have to say, people need to change and turn to God in this time to go on, for the coming of Christ is near.
Police and the community have been searching for the mother, who they believe is nearby. As for the newborn, we were informed that she's doing well. Prince Moore, TVJ News.